Hi, this is the OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So let's first open the Muviz Edge application, and you will see here the AOD section. Tap on it and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one, or just this tab, for example. Tap to apply. You could here edit the theme, change the backgrounds by swipe to the up or to the down, to apply these backgrounds, to change to hide music controls after 10 seconds, to don't hide them, to activate a turn off to show notifications, the date and battery status always while charging or never. Click to the X icon and switch AOD to the settings. Tap to AOD option. Here we got the switcher which help you could activate and turn off the AOD option, to show on lock screen the AOD option while charging on music separately or together. You could use these options or always, to decrease or increase the brightness level, to switch AOD timeout, low power after time, to change the screen orientation, close it by double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock method, you could activate the switcher to close it on fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable the AOD options during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our OPPO phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.